If you are selling products in the EU or Northern Ireland, then there are some important regulations coming up. In this video, we will explain the EU's General Product Safety Regulation, the GPSR. So what's new? Well, to start off, product safety requirements and product traceability rules are much stricter now. You must make sure your products are safe to use and don't pose a risk to the user. Also, warnings and instructions need to be available in the languages of the country you sell to. Besides that, you will need to make sure that the EU company responsible for the product is mentioned, and you need to arrange some form of traceability, such as a batch number, serial number, or purchase order number. Lastly, you should perform an internal risk analysis of your product, create a technical file and keep track of any safety issues. And don't forget to create procedures to conform to GPSR. Who needs to pay attention? In short, any company selling non-food products in the EU, but especially manufacturers, importers, and brand owners. Even if you buy from an importer as a retailer, you still have to check if the products you buy are compliant with this regulation. What if you are based outside the EU? Then you'll need to find a company based in the EU to represent you. These representatives will make sure your products are compliant with EU regulations. They will be your point of contact inside the EU for the authorities and should also be mentioned on the product. So, where to start? First, analyze your product for potential safety risks and create a technical file. For instance, check whether your product is safe to use for all age groups or people with a disability. Think of measures to counter these risks, such as laboratory testing, the addition of user warnings or adjustments to the product's design. Also check whether any other regulations apply to your product. Then, review your packaging, user manual and other artwork. Add warnings if necessary, and make sure the company responsible is mentioned, as well as a tracking number. Lastly, make sure you are able to track which customer received a certain batch, so you can contact them to call back a product. This might require some adjustments to your system. If you need more information, check the link in the description or contact us directly. We give a free 1-hour consult for new customers, so be sure to check out our website.